Hello everyone, this is my unboxing and first review of the device called Cutlex. Okay, so yeah, this is a Kickstarter project which I started in 2018. So the project was sort of delayed for 2 years and they finally started shipping. Okay, so once you open up the box, right, you will see the actual device. So this device itself, right, is quite nice and sleek, I would say. Okay, it has a rubbery texture and yeah, and it's really quite small, like a card. Okay, that's why Cutlex. Okay, it's look like a card and you can relax after using it, I guess. Okay, so this device is really quite nice and it's quite small and thin. Okay, and within the box, right, okay, once I take this out, this is the instruction manual with some instruction how to maintain, okay, etc. Troubleshooting, yeah, yep. Okay. So you take out this, then review to a list of accessories. They give me two sets of this gel pad for the massager. Okay, no, 3 in fact. Okay, and this is the micro USB charger. Okay, I guess since the product started in 2018, it's still a micro USB. Okay, yeah, when you fit it inside this port, and you can just charge it anywhere you want. And over here, right, okay, this is the interesting part. This is the additional cable over here. Okay, so that instead of fitting the massager onto the Cutlex, you can fit it onto a cable. Okay, so this device, right, okay, so see, so instead of fitting it over here like this, okay, or I should say, let's do it the correct way. So we can fit this like this. Okay, so this one, right, this is the massager. Okay, let's start off with this first. Okay, so once you have this, right, you can actually just stick it to somewhere. Okay, for example, let's say my arm. And turn on the power. Then you actually do the massage. Okay, so you can see my arms moving. Let me turn on the intensity. Okay, I'm actually not shaking my arms. This is due to the thing. Okay, so this will continue. They have 6 modes, I think. So it will auto power off after 20 minutes. Okay, while on the arm it feels quite okay. Okay, let me power off first and take it out. Okay, so this cable over here, right, okay, it allows you to actually extend the thing. Okay, so you can plug this over here and plug this over here, then you can, and then you connect this over here. Okay, this, right, you have options for a longer cable. Okay, so this is very good if you want to use it to massage something like your back. Okay, because you can't actually, if you attach this to your back, right, you can't actually see the buttons over here. Okay, so that's why it will be better to use it on the back. Okay, just to add, okay, the buttons, right, is actually very nice. Okay, so you see this one, right, it's like a soft magnetic. Okay, so if you just you don't necessarily need to align them properly and they'll stick together. Okay, which is somehow very sleek. I really like this. Okay, same goes for the other side. Okay, so just attach and you just magnetize. Okay, and it will stick in position. So as for the gel pad itself is quite small, so for places like the back, it might not produce strong enough intensity. But if you are using it for the neck, the arms and the leg, this is large enough for you to feel or give you a sufficient sense of massage after using this for 20 minutes. Also, this gel pad, right, is also quite small. So you see, compared to an auto one, okay, this is almost half the size of the auto pad, of the pad by auto. Okay, so but I would say this is meant for a different purpose. Okay, and you can't exactly use the auto pad also, because the heats are different. Okay, so this one, well, the auto one, right, they are the it doesn't come with any magnet. Okay, I need to use force to click them in. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is my review of the Card X. I would say at 48 USD, this is quite a okay buy. Or 40 USD, okay. I kind of like it, and the design is really quite sleek, okay. And it's good enough as a portable massager that you can carry around everywhere, okay. Yeah, so thanks for watching.